disturbing me. Stop it. Okay, now you are irritating me. Just go, let me sleep. Remove your hand, I want to sleep. Okay, I don't think you understand. You are irritating me. Don't disturb me. I want to sleep.